Good morning, CIS scholars. How are you all? I hope you all are good and learning through my videos. I am Nidhi Verma, CIS educator, and today I am back with a new and very interesting topic of SS, that is grid system. So let's start our video. In this video, I am going to discuss a new topic, that is grid system. So today the following key points is going to be discussed, that is what is grid system, why we use grid system, finding location through latitudes and longitudes, and calculation of time with the help of longitudes. But before starting a new topic, let's have a quick revision of our last video. So in the last video, we have discussed the following. First is longitudes, that is imaginary lines run from north to south pole crossing the parallel of latitudes. They are vertical lines on a globe or a map. Longitudes are also called meridians or lines of longitudes. The important lines of longitudes are prime meridian, which is at 0 degree, and international date line, which is at 180 degree. Prime meridian passes through the Royal Observatory at Greenwich, London. It divides the earth into two equal halves, that is Eastern Hemisphere and the Western Hemisphere. Now there is one important line also, which is known as ideal or international date line, and due to international date line, the places which are situated in Eastern Hemisphere is 1 day ahead of the places in Western Hemisphere. So always keep remember that the places which comes in Eastern Hemisphere is always 1 day ahead of the places in Western Hemisphere. Now all the meridians are great circle and are of same length. And last, the total longitudes are 360, whereas when we talk about total latitudes, these are 180. Now let's start the new topic, that is grid system and its need. Now what is grid system? As you can see in the picture, that there are many lines, vertical or horizontals, which intersects on a point and form a network of lines. Now this network of line is called the grid system. So what is grid system? The grid system is the point where latitudes and longitudes intersect and form a network of line are called grid system. And why we will use this? Why we can use this? Because of to find out the exact location of the place. So grid system is useful to find the exact location of the place. Thus it is very important. Now the question arises is that how we can find the position of the location. Well, this is through latitudes and longitudes. So in this slide, there is a latitude and longitude coordinates. Now, how can we find the position of a location which is marked as A? Now look at this picture where you have to find the position of marked point A. So how can you find? The answer would be, first you have to find the latitude, which is 20 degree south. That is, if we are taking the equator as a base, it is in the south direction and 20 degree and at 20 degree. Now when we are talking about longitude, it is we are taking prime meridian as a base. So the longitude is 20 degree west. So A is 20 degree west of the prime meridian. So when we are combining both the values of latitude as well as the longitude, the latitude is 20 degree south and the longitude is 20 degree west. So the A is at 20 degree south and 20 degree west. Now please note that this is very important, that whenever we are writing, we always write latitude first and after that we write longitude. Now, this is the next slide for you. Let's find. This is a globe. So you have to find it out that dash ocean is found at 40 degree south latitude and 120 degree west latitude intersect. So how you will find it out? Now you can see in the picture, if we will see, first we have to see 40 degree south latitude. So where it is, we will find it out. Let's see. We can see from 40 degrees south from the equator. So equator is there. So we will find 40 degree and 120 degree, that is from the prime meridian, it is 120 degree. So here it is. The point would be, the intersect point is like this. So this ocean is basically a Pacific Ocean. So the answer would be Pacific Ocean. Similarly, if the question would be 40 degrees south and 40 degree west. Now let's find it out. When we are talking about 40 degrees south, we are talking about latitude. So it is 40 degree. And when we are talking about 40 degree west, we are talking about the longitude, which is this. This is 40 degree. So where it would be, it is 40 and 40, like this is the intersection. So this is Atlantic Ocean. So the answer would be changed. The answer would be Atlantic Ocean. I think with this you will get a clear understanding about longitude and latitudes and their current intersection. Now this is a next slide, calculation of time with the help of longitudes. So in this we will find it out that how longitudes would be helpful to find it out the exact location. So let's see how. See, first is longitude help us to calculate. As we have studied that due to ideal or international dateline, the places in Eastern Hemisphere is one day ahead of the places of Western Hemisphere. Now, each latitude and longitude is 15 away from each other, and in terms of time, it is 1 hour or 60 minutes. So when we are talking about this, we are talking about that it is 15, the difference between two longitudes and latitude would be 15 degree, and 15 degree would be equals to 1 hour. Now we know that Earth takes 24 hours to complete the one rotation. It means that they will take 1440 minutes. Now there are total 360 meridian. So hence the time difference between two meridian is 4 minutes. So that means when we are talking about 1 degree is of 4 minutes. And when we are talking about 15 degree, it is of 60 minutes, or we can say 1 hour. Now let's have in my first video, I told you that how Google Maps find the location. So now at this point, I think you all are clear with the concept of latitude and longitude. But let's see how this Google find it out. So the first step would be, first you will type the name of the place in the Google map. So it will show the picture. As I have typed like New Delhi, so it will show the picture, the location of New Delhi. I have also write our school name, Countryside, so they will show the location. Now in the next step, what you can do is you can just right click on that particular mark and you will get a list of menu where you will select what's here. What you have to select, what's here. Now when you click on what's here, you will get a window will be open and you will find it out this particular address. Now here you can see that there are two numbers which are given below. Like if when I click on New Delhi, they will give me 28.629 and 77.211. So these two numbers shows the latitude as well as the longitude. The first one would be latitude and the next is the longitude. Similarly, when I clicked on Countryside, so they give me 21.219 and 72.741. So again, this is a latitude and the longitude. I hope that through this video you get a wide understanding about what is grid system and how longitudes are used to calculate time. So before ending the topic, I'm sure everything would be clear with this video. I think that you all are making your notes properly. By the time, stay safe and stay at home. And thank you very much.